Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about the cutest owl you'll ever find in Sri Lanka. The Dschungel Owlet. The Dschungel Owlet is also called barred Dschungel Eule. It is native to the Indian Subcontinent. Squat little owl with dense bearing all over the body, lacks the false eyes on the back of the head caused by many other owlets. The species is often found singly, in pairs or small groups, and are usually detected by their calls at dawn and dusk. A forest species found in densely wooded areas in lowlands and foothills. Their calls are like locally named Wana Upabassa. I have not seen the Dschungel Owlet. One such place you can see them is Minneriya National Park. These are some of the pictures of our trip to Minneriya National Park. Minneriya National Park is famous for what is called the elephant gathering, where more than 300 elephants gather at one location near the month of August. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to see my next video about the golden fronted leaf bird.